The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Illinois National Guard. A group of robots originating from the state of Missouri are now approaching the following cities: Quincy, Jacksonville, Granite City, and Belleville. Civilians are advised to stay indoors and remain out of sight from these robots. The droid Shadow is struggling to make it to these cities after their base in Sedalia was destroyed. The droid Shadow warns all civilians to stay away from any members found in the group of robots, as they are more than likely infected with the toxic chemicals released in Sedalia. Remain indoors until the threat of all robots has passed. Civil danger for the state of Illinois. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Illinois National Guard and the droid Shadow. The robots have completely spread out into the state of Illinois. The robots are equipped with weapons capable of shooting the chemicals at uninfected civilians. The droid Shadow advises all civilians to remain indoors until a member arrives at your location to deliver supplies. Healthy members now wear blue armor and carry blue rifles. The droid Shadow is now developing a cure for the chemicals. As for now, be prepared to receive your supplies shortly. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. The droid Shadow is now recruiting members to join their army. Members will be patrolling the state to look for civilians who are sending out their signal. The packages contain a switch that sends out a strong frequency. Do not flip the switch if you are not interested in becoming a member. The signal can be deactivated, but will not be able to be activated again. Civilians wanting to become members must be prepared to leave their homes, as a member will arrive to your location shortly. We interrupt our programming. This is a law enforcement warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. The droid Shadow has detected that Jenny Tetsu is approaching the city of Jacksonville. At least 7,000 robots carrying the chemicals are following Jenny. Members will be dispatched to the city to defend against the incoming units. Jenny Tetsu is expected to arrive at Jacksonville in 45 minutes. The cure for the chemicals is ready to be released. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. Residents in the city of Jacksonville are advised to head underground immediately. Jenny Tetsu has fired multiple missiles at the city of Jacksonville. These missiles are capable of causing severe damage to life and property. Jenny has also picked up speed, and she is expected to arrive at Jacksonville in 30 minutes. The droid Shadow's research facility in Quincy has been attacked by the robots. The research conducted has been destroyed after the assault. The cure will not be sent out to civilians. Members will be ready to attack any robots entering the city of Jacksonville. Remain indoors until the threat has passed. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. Jenny Tetsu has arrived at the city of Jacksonville. The units that followed her have also arrived. These new units, also known as Red Eyes, are equipped with rifles that shoot beams of plasma. Their armor is also resistant to most weapons created by the droid Shadow. The Red Eyes can also shoot a concentrated beam of light from their right eyes. The beams have set houses on fire and caused many vehicles to explode. In addition, Jenny Tetsu has destroyed several droid Shadow bases in the city of Jacksonville. She is equipped with an arm cannon that blasts plasma balls at high speeds. The balls are capable of creating a massive explosion when destroyed. Civilians are advised to remain underground and to not leave their shelters. Please stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. A barrage of missiles have been fired from the droid Shadow base in Granite City. These missiles are expected to reach the city of Jacksonville in 20 minutes. Take cover now. These missiles are expected to destroy the robots in Jacksonville. Members of the droid Shadow are now retreating and are taking cover. Although the missiles may not destroy Jenny Tetsu, they will be capable of destroying the robots. Please remain in your shelters. More information will be broadcasted shortly. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. The missiles have made impact in the city of Jacksonville. However, the robots have not taken any damage from the missiles. Members of the droid Shadow have returned to fight off the robots. The intense heat has increased Jenny's strength. Civilians still receiving this broadcast are advised to remain underground for the rest of the day. Once again, the missiles have failed to destroy the robots. Jenny Tetsu has grown stronger from the heat. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the droid Shadow. The members sent out to defend against the robots have been taken down. A new type of weapon is now being used by the robots. These weapons fire plasma balls that can explode violently. Jenny Tetsu is now flying above the city of Jacksonville. She is charging a plasma ball, and she is expected to shoot it at the city in approximately 10 minutes. Because of the scale of the explosion, shelters may not be strong enough to survive the explosion. This station will now go off the air.